Hey guys, this is Hardeep. In this video, I am going to show you how do you make your fun virtual classroom using a PowerPoint. I know a lot of you are using Google Slides, but you can do the same thing in a PowerPoint. And all the things that you see on my virtual classroom, they are all inputted using pictures option in PowerPoint. So this is the one I made. This is my very first one. It took me a lot of time. Definitely it's a time consuming, but it's a fun. It kind of keeps you busy and you just become more creative. And there's another one I made. It just took me, what, 5 minutes? Because maybe not even 5 minutes, 2 minutes. Because the only thing I did, I just changed the background. Yeah, so in this video, I'm just going to show you how do you create virtual classroom in a PowerPoint. So let's get started. So before I start showing you how to make your virtual classroom, just want to briefly explain it to you what we are going to do today. I'm going to show you how to insert a background, a bookshelf, a plant, a Bitmoji, clock, and a pet, string lights as well. Table here. Sorry, I'm missing some stuff here. I hope you guys are going to enjoy creating your virtual classroom in PowerPoint. Let's start making our first virtual classroom. So here we are going to insert our background. We'll go to Insert, Online Pictures. We are going to search for a floor and wall background. Click on Search. You got a lot of options here. By checking Creative Commons only, you will get more options here. So now we see a lot of options. I will pick this one because I have a more wall space to put my stuff on. Click on Insert, and then I'll just drag it to one corner, and then the rest I'm just going to round. Alrighty, so here is our background. Now we are going to start putting our other stuff. Let's start with the whiteboard. Okay, so I'm going to go back to Insert, Online Pictures, and I'll click type up whiteboard transparent so that I don't see any other background behind the whiteboard. I searched for chalkboard transparent. You can do whiteboard transparent, whatever you like. I kind of like the look of the chalkboard, so I'll click on that, click on Insert, and here is our chalkboard. So I'm going to now reduce the size of the pictures. Just reduce it to whatever you like to get. So here is our chalkboard. Okay, so I'm going to bring a sofa. Some plants here, so I'll go to Insert, Online Pictures. You can pick whatever you like. This kind of looks neat. I'll select, Insert. Just reduce the size for that. So I'll put it right here, anywhere you like. And then I will bring some plants now. So every time you search for something, always put the word transparent at the very end. We can pick the one and look more realistic, something in the pots. Okay, I'll go with this one. So click Insert. Definitely is outdoor plant, but it's okay. You can keep it in indoor as well. Alrighty. So you can put more than one. I will hold it. Just select on it. Click on the Control key, and then you'll see your cursor will have a little plus sign. Hold down the Control key, hold it, drag it outward, and then you will have a copy of that. Okay, so I'll put one here. Can reduce the size a little bit and put it right beside my sofa. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to bring some hanging baskets. Insert. I love plants. So I got one here. Click on insert. I will just reduce the size. One thing, always reduce the size from the corners. Okay, just hold it, drag it. Alright. Now we can also put a clock. Click on insert, online pictures. So I got my clock here. So now I will bring a bookshelf here, insert online pictures. Okay, so I just brought my bookshelf here. I realized I'm going to put my bookshelf here, and my plant is on its behind the bookshelf. So I'll move my plant this way and move the bookshelf right here. The plant can be here, and I will right click on it and bring it to the front. Click on my plant, bring it to the front. Now you see the plant is front of the bookshelf. You can put your stuff inside the bookshelf. In the next video, I'm going to show it to you how do you put insert links. What else we can put? We can put a carpet. So click on insert, online pictures. Sorry, the only reason I pause the video every other minute because my keyboard kind of makes a lot of noise. So I have a lot of carpets here. I'm gonna uncheck off Creative Commons only. And well, let's try this one. Click on insert. Not very colorful, but something, maybe this one. Let's try this one. Click on insert. So we got it two carpets now. So this one is kind of matching with this couch. So I'll put this one here. Plus I'm going to put my big one. I'll just put it here. Reduce the size so that it kind of fits. Alright. So now what we need to do, right click on that image. Bring it to the front because we want to put that on the floor. And same thing going to do with my plant. Bring it to front. Same thing, looks like the bookshelf corner is under the carpet. So click on the bookshelf, right click, bring it to front. So now our carpet is on the floor. So now we have this one, blue one. So I'll click here. I'll just bring it here. Alrighty. Okay, we're almost getting there. So now I'm going to bring my Bitmoji. I already have my Google extension added to that. If you're not sure how to, you can watch videos on YouTube, and I will also make one. How do you insert your Google extension for Bitmoji? So I'll click right here, click the one I like it. I do have some already, and if you want to get the sitting one, just search for the word sitting and then you will get something. Okay, right click, copy image, and I'll go back to my PowerPoint, Control V, paste it right here. So right here, I'll just increase the size a little bit. Looks like my legs are too short, but it's okay. You can you can change your style to different side. So go to format. You can click on flip to the other side if you want to face to the other side, but I'll just oops, not that way for sure. And I don't want to change it. I'll keep it this way, facing to the left. You can change if you want. I love dark, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring a little puppy here. Click on insert, online pictures. So here we go. We got a lot of darks with the transparent background. For sure, I don't want that, the whole litter. I will, they're all cute. I'll go with corgi. Insert. Here we go. I can put my little buddy here. and nobody can see my feet as well. Alright, so here we go. It looks like he is sitting beside me. I will decorate the room a little bit more, so we can add some lights here. Click on Insert, Online Pictures. I will search for string lights, and we'll definitely put the word transparent. Alright, so we got a lot of options here. I played around with all of them before, so I will I'll pick these ones. Click on Insert. Alright, so I'm just going to reduce the size of these ones because I want to put more here. Alright, so I'll click on it and it's just going to start copy pasting. Click on that, hold down the control key, your mouse cursor will turn like that. If I let go of the control key, it will go back to that plus sign. So hold down the control key, hold it, drag it. It will automatically copy it for you. Hold it, drag it, and hold it. Drag it one more time. So here we go. Here our lights are here. You can put let's get a little table here. Go to Insert, Online Pictures. So all these are all the options. We have a lot of options here. This is kind of neat, but I don't need that big. I will go with this table. Insert. The one thing I want to mention that I know a lot of pictures has a copyright. I am not making any money for my YouTube channel, so everything I'm using it for my classroom purpose. So we'll put the table here, or maybe here, more small. Now what I will do, I will put my plant on the table. Oops, some of that. It doesn't really look like this. Maybe. Okay, so all I needed to do just bring it to the front. Okay, so I just move my picture back here. So always make sure you're selecting the right stuff. So here, that's for the plant. It's a table, and I wanted to select a basket. So when I clicked here, it selected my Bitmoji. But if you click a little bit higher, it will select the your planter. Whiteboard, your carpet. Here's this plant. That's the bookshelf, and this is your planter. Just play around with the options. Chances are you will move things a little bit here and there. Always press that undo option or Control Z, and it will take you back to your previous option. I think this is all for today. So now I'm going to show you how do you create a link to guide students to where to go. So what I'm going to do, so now I have my stuff written down here for my students. Just type whatever you need. How do you type up? Go to Insert tab, and there is an option called a text box. Sorry, I'm not just able to show you the whole thing. Just go to Insert tab and then click on the text box and just start typing. And now we want to create a link. Just select whatever text you want to put a link. Select the entire thing. Right click on it. Click on a link option. So if it's a web page, just put the link right here, whatever is the URL for the web page, or browse it wherever you have saved that onto your computer. So I will save the URL for MSN, click OK. And now it's a link. So one thing I recommend, make sure you put the word click here for your students, because sometimes students they're not sure what to do. Or you can just put the word click here. Let's make it a little bit. Okay. Let's make it a little bit small so it's on the chalkboard. So go to home, reduce the size of my font. Alright, see now when I mouse over it, see Control plus click to follow link. So press the Control key and click on it, and this will turn into a hyperlink. When you're going to save this one as a PDF file, your links will also stay on your page. So now I'm just going to quickly review what we did today. We just inserted the background, clock, and all these things for our virtual classroom. It's pretty straightforward. There is only one option that you need to use it to insert all the things you need. Just go to the Insert tab and click on the online pictures. And the only reminder I want to tell you that is whenever you search for something, so always use the word transparent and then uncheck the Creative Commons only option, because when you do that you will get more options. Yeah, so once you have your picture, click select the picture you want and click on the Insert tab, and then you just need to resize it and place it wherever you want it. And the other thing we did, inserting links on your virtual classroom, make sure you select the text you want to create a link and right click on it, then click on the link option. When you click on the link option, this is where you put the URL, and if there's other link, you have a file, a folder, whatever is that, just browse it wherever you have saved it. So click cancel now. And last thing, it was how do you copy paste? Click on the object you want to make a copy. You can definitely do Control-C and Control-V to post it, or you can select the object, hold it down the Control key. You will see your mouse cursor will turn with the little plus sign, and hold down the Control key, and then hold down your mouse and drag it to the outside, okay, wherever you want to put it. So I'm holding down the Control key and drag it outward. See here, got more plans. That's how you make more objects. So I hope you guys did like my video, and I hope it was helpful as well. Any questions, comments, concerns, you guys can put that in the comment section. Thank you very much and enjoy your long weekend. Bye bye.